Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert binary number to denary number. Let's say we have 1010 in binary. We will enclose this number using parentheses and a superscript 2 to show that this number is a binary number. In converting binary to denary, we have to consider place value. Okay, the place value of this bit 0 on the right side is 2 to the 0. The next place value is 2 to the 1. The next is 2 to the 2. And the next is 2 to the 3. Okay, you will notice that the place values are power of 2 because our number here is a binary number. I will just rewrite these bits here. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, 0, and then we have 1. As I mentioned earlier, each bit will be multiplied by this place value, which is 2 to the 0. So this is times 2 to the 0, this is times 2 to the 1, times 2 to the 2, and times 2 to the 3. Any number raised to 0 is 1. So we are multiplying this one by 0, which is equal to 0. 2 to the 1 is 2. So we are multiplying this 2 by 1, which is 2. And this is 4. 2 to the 2 is 4 times 0 to give us 0. And 2 to the 3 is actually 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So this is 8, right? So 8 times 1 is 8. We will just add all these products to get the denary equivalent of this number. So this is base 10. So this is equal to 10 base 10. So this number 1010 is a binary number, and this 10 or 10 is a denary number. Let's have another example. Let's say we have 101100. Okay, this time you will notice that our number is longer than this number. So this is 4 bits and this is 6 bits. Let's have this parenthesis and superscript 2, okay, in order to show you that this is a binary number. So we will convert it to a denary number, denary or decimal number. Okay, let's rewrite these bits here. Okay, we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1. We will multiply each bit to its place value. 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to the 4, and 2 to the 5. You will notice that the place value is increasing powers of 2 from the right. From the right going to the left, we have 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, and so on. Okay, we know that 2 to the 0 is equal to 1, and 2 to the 1 is equal to 2, 2 to the 2 is equal to 4, 2 to the 3 is equal to 8, 2 to the 4 is equal to 16, and 2 to the 5 is equal to 32. Okay, we will multiply this 0 by 2 to the 0, this one multiplied by 2 to the 1, this one, okay, 0 multiplied by its place value, which is 2 to the 1, and then this one multiplied by its place value, which is 2 to the 2. So 1 times 2 to the 2, and this one is multiplied by 2 to the 3, this 0 multiplied by 2 to the 4, and this one multiplied by 2 to the 5. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0, so this will be 0. This is also 0, and this 2 to the 2 is equal to 4, so 4 times 1 is 4, and this is 8, 2 to the 3 is 8, so this is 8, and 2 to the 4 times 0 will give us 0, and 2 to the 5 is 32. 32 times 1 is 32. So we will just add all this, and it will give us 32 plus 8 is 40, plus 4 is 44. So it will give us 44. It means that this binary number is equal to 44 in denary number. So that's it. In the next video, I will show you how to convert denary number to binary number. So stay tuned. Okay, bye-bye.